Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have sleepy sidekicks, Wyatt, Xena. All they care about is the treats. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. I'm kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where we chronicle a week of outfits. We talk about PA weather. You get a little bit of life in there. And yeah, a lot of outfits. So it is Sunday morning. It is very overcast. It's not that cool out today. It's actually not that bad. I think it's going to get up to like 55, which is pretty nice. It's 51 right now. Yeah, going to get up to 56. So it's not going to be too bad outside today. This is a travel week for me for work, so it's going to be very hectic. So I have a couple videos I need to get done for you all, as well as packing and organizing for the week. It's like getting to year end, so work is incredibly busy as we try to cram all the things in before the year ends. So let's see. Oh, and I have a correction from last week with my Wantable winter edit. I confused one of the items with the next Wantable that's coming up, which I believe is my holiday edit. So I kept the two jackets. The dress is in the next edit. So it was the other Liverpool jacket that I kept. So sorry for any confusion I may have caused. All right, so for outfit of the day today, you may recognize this from my CRZ yoga haul. Love my CRZ pieces. They're perfect for busy days, errand running, all the things. I love them. So I have on the pants from my last haul, the jacket, and then I had on in that haul the mock neck, which is fabulous. However, I also had mentioned that I had asked for the scoop neck, so I have on the scoop neck today. It also has thumb holes along with the jacket. The shirt also has the thumb holes, which is super nice. So you have both options. And for shoes, I'm not wearing any because I'm super busy today and I don't actually expect to leave the house. So for jewelry, I only put on hoop earrings. I'll be changing my clothes a lot today, so I went pretty simple. And that's my outfit. All right, so the Peppers and I have to get to work. Hope your week starts off fabulous, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. I don't even know what day it is. It's Monday. It is gloomy outside. It is super gray, kind of yucky. 38, only getting up to 43. Only Wyatt joining me today, still wearing his Christmas bandana. Zena's sleeping. And I have a super busy day, and then I leave early in the morning tomorrow for work. And yeah, and then the fun really begins. My Trend posted today, and it was a good one. I kept some fun pieces out of that one. I kept the smocked top. It's already packed, so I'm going to wear it, I think, while I'm gone this week. And I kept the shimmer t-shirt. It's already also packed, so just the long sleeve shimmer tee. I kept the fun Sea Supply tee. Stay, what does that say? Yeah, Stay Golden. I did keep the commando pants. These were just so nice. They didn't make noise. They were comfortable. They fit nicely. They weren't tight, so I really liked those. I did keep the blazer. And I kept the Good American palazzo pant. So those were my, oh, and I kept the necklace. I have it on today. So I have both my L necklaces on today, actually. You can see that. So I did keep it. All right. So that is my Trend keepers. Love Trend. Always love Evereve. I think they have the prettiest stuff. For outfit of the day today, I have to dress up for the rest of the week. So I figured, you know, or at least for the next 3 days, I figured I would go super casual today. So I have on AG denim that I honestly don't, I'm pretty good, but I don't remember where I got these. I got them recently though. You guys might remember. And then I paired it with this sweater from Dex that I got in a Wantable. I threw on easy shoes. These are just Dolce Vita. I said, this is just a super casual outfit today. I have my necklaces on that I told you about, the monogram necklaces. My earrings, you may remember from my Curateur that I love. These are so cool. And then a bracelet was my husband's, my ring was my mom's. And that's it for today. Hope you're doing fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday morning, 6 a.m., pitch black outside. I've got to get in the car. 33 degrees outside, and it's only getting up to 38 today. Yikes. All right, so let's do this. For outfit of the day, I have on velvet, I guess these would be velvet pants cut from the cloth. I got them from the Evereve store during a sale. You're going to see these in an upcoming haul. Paired it with a denim blazer also from Evereve that I got during the Evereve sale. You're also going to see in an upcoming haul. And then I put on this smocked top from my latest Trend and Dolce Vita booties. How cute are these? Love these. So comfy. And for jewelry, I just have on a Love AJ necklace, gold hoops, a ring you've seen before from Stella and Dot, and bracelets that my husband got me. And I'm set. All right, I hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday and time for outfit of the day. It is 6 o'clock in the morning, 30 degrees outside, high of 40. And for outfit of the day today, I chose Good American denim I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. A loft long sleeve t-shirt. This awesome White House Black Market jacket I just did in a loft haul, or yes, a loft haul. I just did in a shopping haul. I can't remember my order of when you're going to see things. Hopefully you see it this week, but I can't remember. It might be next week. And then for shoes, I have on these awesome, what booties are these? Are they shoots? Look, now I don't even know. I love these. Oh, I think they're Sam Edelman. That's what they are. Yeah, they're Sam Edelman. I love these. The heel is like perfect for all day. They're very comfortable. I have them in this black and the pink, but they're Sam Edelman. All right, and then I'm going to top it off with my black coat from Cabi, from my Cabi haul, because it's so cold outside. So I'll be putting on my black Cabi coat. And that's everything. My jewelry, I have on this Rocks Box necklace I decided to keep, and then all the other jewelry is the same. The gold hoops, the ring, and bracelets from yesterday is all the same. All right, hope you're doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is early in the morning, 32 degrees, only getting to 43, and I'm so glad it's at least Thursday. So close, but still have a long day ahead of me. For outfit of the day today, I have on AG denim I got at Nordstrom, I think. Starting to lose track. I have on a top from my latest Trend from Evereve, and a jacket from my Evereve haul. But I still can't remember when you're going to see this. It might not be until next week. From Blank NYC. I love this. It's in this amazing velour. So pretty. And then these amazing shoes are by Dolce Vita. Check those out. How fun are these? My boots. I love them. And then for jewelry, I just have on Rocks Box necklace, Love AJ necklace you saw before earlier this week, gold hoops, and same ring and bracelets you already seen. And that is my outfit today. Yesterday, I had a holiday Wantable post, so fun. I did keep 5 items. I think it was the 5 I told you about, but I'm going to have to confirm when I get back because I can't remember what I returned. So I'll have to show you what I kept when I get back. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. And I have chaos ensuing because my dad's dog Tico is here, which you may remember. So maybe we'll have him do Happy Dance for today. But before I forgot, I wanted to make sure I told you what I kept from my Wantable Holiday Edition. This is where I had confused the dress. So I did exchange the dress for the next size up, so I still have to try that on. And instead kept the Liverpool black zip up from the last box, from last week that I confused. Then I kept the cream pants, the sweatshirt, the Liverpool Moto, and the mica denim. Okay, so those are the 5 I actually did keep from this one. You know, Little Miss here already had her sweet potato fries, and you can see why it's still chewing on his, but they want more. They want more. You want more. You love your sweet potato fries, don't you? You love them. All right, Wyatt. And Tico, he doesn't know what to think about anything. Do you want to try a sweet potato fry, Tico? He smelled them. He didn't like them. He's a very picky eater. Yeah, he's not interested. Okay. So, let's see. Tico, you want to do Happy Dance today? Come here. Come here, buddy. There we go. There we go. You remember Tico, right? You remember Tico. Tico just got back from the vet. He's probably not feeling Happy Dance too much, so we won't make him work it too hard, but we'll have him do a little bit, huh? Yeah, he got all his shots, and he has a little bit of an ear infection, so we got that taken care of, and he's doing good, huh? Good boy, huh? All right, and for outfit of the day today, I have on a Z Supply outfit. Z Supply top from a Transcend, no, this is from a JV Style Box. This one's from a JV Style Box. And then I have on a little button-down shirt, jacket, and matching joggers in this amazing soft, comfy fabrication. Also from Z Supply. For shoes, I just threw on these fun Keds from Stitch Fix. And then I just have on silver hoops and my Pandora ring. And that's it for today. All right, well, I'm exhausted from this week. It was a really hectic, busy week. So I'm glad it is Friday and we made it. And I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. My Z Supply haul posted today. Loved all of those pieces so much. I hope you enjoyed it and check it out. Really comfy, cozy, versatile pieces I think that go from day to night so nicely and in a very comfortable way. All right, for outfit of the day today, I think Xena wants like another sweet potato fry. And again, this dog just ate one. You can see why I was still finishing his up. And Xena's was actually bigger, but she loves these things. Huh, Wyatt? She loves them. For outfit of the day today, I have on lighter weight clothes because it's actually 62 degrees outside. It's not bad. It's nice. It's not really sunny. It's kind of overcast, but it's warmer, which is fabulous. So I have on Cabi pants, a Free People top, which is a little sheer. So I put on one of my amazing Ebby bralettes, which I love these. This is a new one. They have all kinds of sales going on right now, plus my coupon, 20% off. I'll put that down below. If you use it, 20% off on top of all the other sales they have going on. Amazing. And then a Free People top, as I mentioned. Then my jacket is by Liverpool. So, and I got this in I think I got this way back when in a mix and match box, actually, a long time ago. And my earrings are Love AJ. Why it's chewing on that sweet potato fries. It gets stuck in your teeth. Do I have to get it for you? Do we need to floss? Yeah? And then a ring that I got at the Evereve store and bracelets that were a gift from my friend Lisa. And that is my outfit today. Shoes. I almost forgot about the shoes. Love these. These are Dolce Vita. I'm pretty sure. Yes. Dolce Vita I got last year. So comfortable. Love them. All right, that's my outfit. That's a wrap. I think we're going to have to get some dental floss for Wyatt for a sweet potato fry. I hope you're doing fabulous. I'll list all my outfits down below for you. If I can link to the item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll put all the boxes, as well as some come from my closet. But I can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. Huh, buddy? What's your favorite? You had 2 sweet potato fries. Stop it. You had 2. No. Stop. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.